Today we are making a classic French dessert, the Fraisier cake. Let's prepare a cake sponge first. Ingredients: 4-5 eggs, 1 baking powder, 80 g sugar, a cup of flour. Put some sugar to egg white and mix it until white. Later, add some flour, but do not add all of your flour, just add half of them. We will use the other half of them later for our egg yolk, and then mix it. Add 5 egg yolks, add some sugar, and then mix it. Later, add all of your flour to your egg yolk and mix it. Our egg yolk is ready. Now mix the egg white and yolks well. Make sure it is mixed. You need to do this step very carefully. Okay, we are almost done. Baking powder should be added last because our cake will not rise. Well, our cake sponge is ready. Bake it at 150 degrees for 20-25 minutes. Wow, our cake is ready. Okay, let's prepare filling cream. Ingredients for filling cream: 200 milliliters of milk, 7 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour, 70 g sugar, 2 egg yolks. Mix all ingredients and cook them on the oven for 15 minutes. After cooking the filling cream, put it in the fridge for 25 minutes. Then add 100 milliliters of whipping cream and mix it well. Our filling cream is ready now. Let's prepare top egg white cream. We need 3 egg white, 30 g sugar, and mix them until white. Also, we need the syrup. For syrup, we need 50 milliliters of water, 80 g sugar, and melt the sugar with the water and cook it on the oven for 10 minutes. After cooking, add syrup to the egg white and mix it very quickly. Our top egg white cream is ready now. Now time to decorate our cake. For decoration, we need syrup. Instead of syrup, you can use milk, coffee, it's up to you, but I prefer syrup. And also we need 400 grams of fresh strawberries. Slice the strawberries equally and then add some filling cream to our cake. Then put some more strawberries inside the cake. It's going to be so delicious. Put a cake sponge and then add more filling cream. And now put on our cake top egg white cream and add some more fresh strawberries. Here we are, our cake is ready. This elegant strawberry cake is perfect for any special occasion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Happy baking!